Hi guys, this is Brito. Welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, degrees of comparison. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you a definition for degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparisons are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. It will speak about a person or thing. Already we have studied about noun. Noun is a naming word. It names the name of a person or thing. Okay, here it also tells it will speak about the person or thing. Okay, already also we have discussed about adjectives. Adjective will modify the noun or it will give some special quality to the noun. Okay, here like the same, it is used to compare one person or one thing with another, one person with another person or one thing with another thing. Okay, degrees of comparison can be classified into three. The first one is the positive degree, the second one is the comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. First one, positive degree. When we speak about only one person or thing, we use the positive degree. Here I have given you few examples. This house is big. He is a tall student. This flower is beautiful. He is an intelligent boy. In these examples, big, tall, beautiful, and intelligent are positive degrees. And these words are adjectives, and these words also modifies the noun. These examples also clarify the thing. Here we have discussed about one house, one boy, one flower. So positive degree will speak about only one person or thing. The second one we are about to discuss is comparative degree. When we compare two persons or two things with each other, comparative degree will help us to compare two persons or two things. Let's discuss with few examples. Here I have given you a pattern. Just go through it. First noun plus verb plus comparative adjective plus then plus noun. And here I have given you few examples. My house is larger than yours. This box is smaller than the one I lost. Your dog runs faster than Jim's dog. The rock flew higher than the roof. In these examples, larger, smaller, faster, and higher are comparative adjectives. In these examples, we have two nouns, my house and your house. We compare the two houses, this box and another one, then the one I lost. It indicates the another box. Your dog and Jim's dog. The rock and the roof. Here they have given two noun. One noun is as a subject and another noun as a object. Then they give a comparison between those two nouns. That is comparative adjective. Which one is better? It is better than the other. Likewise. And the final one is superlative adjective, superlative degree. When we compare more than two persons or things with another. We discussed that positive degree will speak about only one person or one thing. Comparative degree will speak about only two persons or two things. And superlative degree is compare more than two person or things. It is superlative degree. Here I have given you the pattern for superlative adjective. Noun plus verb plus the article plus superlative adjective plus another noun. The first noun is a subject and the last noun is the object. And here I have given you few examples. My house is the largest one in our neighborhood. This is the smallest box I have ever seen. Your dog ran the fastest of any dog in the race. We all threw our rocks at the same time. My rock flew the highest. In these examples, largest, smallest, fastest and highest are the superlative adjective. In these examples, one is the subject and another one is the group words. For example, my house and our neighborhood houses. Here I have given you few samples for positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Tall, fat, big and sad are positive adjectives. When we convert it into a comparative degree, it becomes taller, fatter, bigger and sadder. When we convert the positive degree into superlative degree, it becomes tallest, fattest, biggest and saddest. And here I have given you some more examples. Just go through it. For some words in comparative degree we have used more, and for superlative degree we have used most. More important, most important. More expensive, most expensive. And these words are convert good into better and best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, further, farther, furthest, farthest. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.